ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. This is a part 3 of a Vruksha Saakshi 10th standard City Kannada textbook. If you have not watched the part 1 and part 2, please go watch the part 1 and part 2. The link is given here. The playlist there, the 10th standard playlist, you can just watch there. Illana, you can use the links also. So this is a part 3. I hope you have understood the part 1 and part 2. Part 1 and part 2 ಏನೈತು in the part 2. So we'll basically look into the part 2. So part 2, Dushta Buddhi, he told the tree will witness for this cheating. So Dharmadhikarana, he told, okay, fine, let's go. Let's see what the tree will tell. So what happened next? So that is we are going to see in part 3. In the part 3, so as you can see, it's a vachana. Vachana andre, it's a va is there. Va andre vachana. Okay. So there is a saying. So what is that saying? ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಸುಕೃತ ದುಷ್ಕೃತಂಗಳು. ಸುಕೃತ ಅಂದರೆ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸುಕೃತ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದುಷ್ಕೃತ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ದೈವಗಳು ಅರೆಗುಮ್. ಸೊ ದ ಗಾಡ್ ನೋಸ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅದರಿಂದ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯುಂ ಉಚಿತಂ. ದಿಸ್ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ನೌ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ. ಮರಣಂ ನುಡಿಸುವುದು ಮರಗಹನಂ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರಗಹನಂ. ಓಕೆ, ಮರಣಂ ನುಡಿಸುವುದು. ಸೊ ಡಸ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್? ಇಫ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ is speaking, it's a nigoda, it's a miracle, it's a something, it's a mystery. It's not a miracle, it's a mystery. Nigoda is a maragahana, is a nigoda. ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂ ಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಎನೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ. ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂ ಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದೆನೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕರಂ ಒಳಿತು ಕೈಕೊಂಡನ್. ಏನೇ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣದವರ್ ಅಂದು ಪೊಳ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದೇ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ. ಸೊ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ and ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ, ದೇ ಗಾಟ್ ಟು ನೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಮರ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂ ಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದು ಎನೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕರಂ ಒಳ್ಳಿತ್ತು ಕೈಕೊಂಡನ್. ಎನೆ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣದವರ್ ಅಂದು ಪೊಳ್ತು ಪೋದುದು ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ವಂ. ಎನೆ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೋದುರ್. So what happened? So he told them, they got to know that the tree is going to witness and tree is going to say something. So this is something mystery, nigoda, and everyone was ready for this. But Dharmadhikarana, he told, ಈಗ ಪೊಳ್ದು ಪೋದುದು. ಪೊಳ್ದು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಲೇಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಗೋ, ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ವಂ. ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಅಂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ ದ ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಟ್ರೀ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋದರು. ಪೋದರ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಪೋದರು. ಮನುಷ್ಯರ ಸುಕೃತ ದುಷ್ಕೃತಂಗಳಂ ದೈವಂಗಳ್ ಅರೆಗುಂ ಅರೆಗುಂ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಈ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯು ಉಚಿತಂ. ಮರಣಂ ನುಡಿಸುವುದು ಪರಗಹನಮೀ. ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಂ ಕೈಕೊಳ್ಳುವುದನೆ ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕರವೊಳ್ಳಿತ್ತು ಕೈಕೊಂಡನೆನೆ ಧರ್ಮಾಧಿಕರಣವರಂದು ಪೊಳ್ತು ಪೋದುದು ನಾಳೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಕೇಳ್ವಮನೆ ತಮ್ಮ ತಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಪೋದುರ್. I'll stop there. One just a pause. Okay, ಪೋದುರ್. So after that what happened? ಸೊ ಅನ್ನೆಗಂ ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನ ಕೈಯಂ ಪಿಡಿದು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅನ್ನೆಗಂ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿಸ್, ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು, ಹಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಓನ್. ತನ್ನ ಅಯ್ಯನ ಕೈಯಂ ಪಿಡಿದು. ಅಯ್ಯ ಅಂದರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ, ದ ಫಾದರ್. ಸೊ ಹಿ ಟುಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್. ಕರ ಅಂದರೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಕರ ಪಿಡಿದು. ಕಟ್ಟುಂ ಏಕಾಂತಕ್ಕೆ. ಕಟ್ಟುಂ ಕಟ್ಟೇಕಾಂತ. ಕಟ್ಟೇಕಾಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ವೇರ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ನೋ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಹಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಟು ದ ಐಸೋಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ಕಟ್ಟೇಕಾಂತಕ್ಕೆ ಒಯ್ದು. ಹಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್, ಒಯ್ದು ಇಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಹಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್. ತತ್ ವೃತ್ತಾಂತಂ ಎಲ್ಲಮಂ ತಿಳಿಯ. ತತ್ ವೃತ್ತಾಂತ. ವೃತ್ತಾಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ದ ಹೋಲ್ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಹಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ಹೂ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್? ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ. ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್. ತಿಳಿಯೇ ಪೇಳ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಚನ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂ. ಸೊ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಚನ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯೋರ್ ಎಂಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ವರ್ಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯೋರ್ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಗ್ರಹಂ. ಪರಿಗ್ರಹ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ, ಅವರ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ. ಎಲ್ಲಂ ಪಲವು ಕಾಲಂ, ಫಾರ್ ದ ಸೋ ಮೆನಿ ಇಯರ್ಸ್. ಪಸಿಯದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಹಂಗರ್. undu balvanta, without hunger, without any problem. They can have food, they can enjoy the life. Only artham sadurpudu. So this will happen only because of you. You have to help me anta ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. What happened? Dushta buddhi, he'll go home, he'll take his father and he'll tell the entire incident, what and all happened, the story. So he'll tell also that I stolen the money and I put this on the Dharma Buddhi. You have to tell that Dharma Buddhi is a cheater, he took the money anta you have to tell. So something he'll tell like this, and he'll tell, because of only if you help me, our family will be very happy for so many years, for the next few years anta he will tell to his father. Who will tell? Dushta Buddhi will tell to his father. Okay, ನೀವ್ ಆ ಮರದ ಪೊಳಳೋಳ್, ಪೊಟರೆ, ಪೊಳಳ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪೊಟರೆ ಅಂದರೆ in the hole, in the tree there is a big hole. Okay, so he will tell, you have to sit in that hole. So Dushta Buddhi is telling his father that you have to sit in that hole. Okay, ಆ ಮರದ ಪೊಳಳೋಳ್ ಅಡಂಗಿ, hide there in that hole. Irdu, you will hide there, you just be there. ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯೇ ಪೊನ್ನಂ ಕೊಂಡು ಇದೊಯ್ನ್ ಎಂದು ನುಡಿಯುಂ. ಓಕೆ, ಧರ್ಮ ಬುದ್ಧಿ is itself, he took the ಪೊನ್ನು ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ದನ್, he took and he went ಅಂತ you have to tell. ನುಡಿಯುಂ, you have to tell ಅಂತ he will ask his father. Dushta Buddhi will ask his father. ಎಂಬುದನ್ ಆತನ್ ಇಂತು ಎಂದನ್. So he told like this. Okay, so I'll repeat once again. What happened is, so the people, they came there and they felt it's a mystery that the tree is gonna witness this one. So Dharma Buddhi is also accepted for this one, and Dharmadhikarana he'll tell, since it is a late today, so we can't go there. Tomorrow we'll go and we'll witness the tree and everyone will go home. So also Dushta Buddhi, he'll come home and he'll take his father and he'll tell the entire incident, what and all he did to the Dharma Buddhi, and he'll tell, our family will be very happy if you do this one thing for me. So he asked something to his father. What did he ask? He asked his father to hide in a big hole that is there in the tree and to tell that Dharma Buddhi is the one who cheated, who took the money and who ran off anta. Artha aita? Yes. So we'll read now. Okay. ಅನ್ನೆಗಂ ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿಯುಂ ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದು ತಮ್ಮಯ್ಯನ ಕೈಯಂ ಪಿಡಿದು ಕಟ್ಟೆ ಕಾಂತ ಕೊಯ್ದು ತತ್ವೃತ್ತಾಂತಮೆಲ್ಲಂ ತಿಳಿಯಪೇಳ್ದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ವಚನ ಮಾತ್ರದಿಂ ನಮ್ಮ ಪರಿಗ್ರಹಮೆಲ್ಲಂ ಪಲವು ಕಾಲಂ ಪಸಿಯದುಂಡುಂ ಬಾಳ್ವೆಂತರ್ಥಂ ಸಾದುರ್ಪುದು. ನೀವಾ ಮರದ பொழலோள் அடகி இருத்தும் தர்ம புத்தியே பொன்னம் கொண்டொய்தன் ಎಂದು ನುಡಿಯುಂ ಎಂಬುದಂ ಆತನ್ ನಿಂತು ಎಂದಂ. So he told like this. So what did he tell? So he tell like this, and his father, Dushta Buddhi father, will tell something to Dushta Buddhi. What he will tell? ಪರದನ ಹರಣಮುಂ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಘಾತುಕಂ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದ್ರೋಹಮುಂ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಂ. ಪರದನ, the others money. Vishwasaghataka, and you are cheating someone, you are breaking the trust of someone. Swami Droham, you are making a cheating for the God. So all these things, yegum kidisugum yentu appudam yellamum neen aredu. So you know all these things are bad. Neenu aridu ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಳಿದು, you know these things. Ennamum ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡಿ. And for all these cheating things, you are also making me witness. You are making me partner in your crime, which is really, really bad. Nudisi, kedisal, you also spoiling me. Bageda ninna sul, okay, palu andre sullu, the lie, your lie. Bage namma kulam, so because of your lies, my family is going to hurt. Our family is going to suffer because of your lies. Yellamum alive bageyanal, so everything you will spoil. Alive andre nasha, you will spoil everything. So this is how he will tell. Just make a ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಎನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎನಲ್ಗೆ ಲೈನ್ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಪರಧನ ಹರಣಮುಂ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸಘಾತುಕಮುಂ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ದ್ರೋಹಮುಂ ಇವೆಲ್ಲಂ ಏಗೆದಂ ಕಿಡಿಸುಗಂ ಮಿಂತು ಅಪ್ಪುದಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲಂ ನೀನ್ ಅರೆದು ಇರ್ದುಂ ಇನ್ನುಮಂ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನುಡಿಸಿ ಕಿಡಿಸಲ್ ಬಗೆದ ನಿನ್ನ ಬಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕುಲಂ ಎಲ್ಲಮಂ ಅರಿವೇವಗಳ್ ಎನಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ನಾಶ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ. ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ದ ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೆಲ್. ದುಷ್ಟ ಬುದ್ಧಿ ಕೇಳ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ವಾಹಮಂ. ಓಕೆ, ನಿರ್ವಾಹಮಂ ಕಿಡಿಸದೆ ಎನ್ನ ಎಂದುದಂ ಗೆಯ್ಯೆಂದು. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಸ್ಪಾಯ್ಲ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ಡ್. ಯು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೇಯಿಂಗ್. ನೀನು ಗೆಯ್ಯಿ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀನು ಮಾಡು. ತನ್ನ ತಂದೆಯನ್ನು ಒಡಂಬಡಿಸುತ್ತಾ, ಹಿಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿ, ಹಿಲ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಫಾದರ್ ಟು ಅಗ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇರ್ಪಿನಂ ಆದಿತ್ಯನ್ ಅಪರಿ ಗಿರಿಯನ್ ಎಯ್ದುವುದಂ. So Adityan, so while doing all these things, Irpinam, when doing all these things, when he is convincing his father, when he is making his father to agree this, the cheating thing. So when he is doing all these things, Aditya, the sun, is already started setting. Okay, Adityan Aparigiriyan. Aparigiriyan, he is into the other side. He is in the west. The sun is setting. So in the next there are 4 lines. So where they have explained how the sun is setting and how the dark it became. So after sunset it became a dark. So what happened? So what kind of a dark it is? So we'll see this in the next part, in the part 4. Okay, I hope you have understood till here. So in this what happened? So in this the Dharma Buddhi, he'll agrees for this tree witness and he'll tell it's a mystery, and Dharmadikarana, he'll tell that we can't go now, we will go in the morning, and the people, everyone, they'll go home. And after this Dushta Buddhi, he'll come home and he'll take his father to the isolated place and he'll tell everything that whatever he did with the Dharma Buddhi. And for that the Dushta Buddhi's father, he'll tell that you are cheating, you are taking others' money, and you are cheating your friend, you are breaking the trust, and you are cheating the God. All these things are bad things, and also you are making these bad things to do from my end also. You are making me a partner in your crime. Because of this you are spoiling, you are destroying our family. But still Dushta Buddhi, he will never listen to his father, and he will tell his father that you just listen to me, and he will start making his father to agree for this thing. So when he does this, it's almost dark and it's like the sun is set. In the next part we'll learn what happened after this. Doubt idre comment section alli comment ಮಾಡಿ. I have tried to explain each and every word and I have gone very slow. Doubt idre please do let me know. Share ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ. ಐ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ದ 4th part of a ವೃಕ್ಷ ಸಾಕ್ಷಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out, the description box, and purchase the book. The one speciality thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, and words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.